Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make an animation when someone, for example, boops you on the snoot. Um, so let's get started. This is, first of all, I should say, this is the new PhysBones. So this does not work on the live version. You have to be on the beta. Or if you're watching this in future, then I guess it's the current version. Anyway, so first of all, we need to create the animation. So I'm gonna duplicate my model here, gonna hide the original, and we're gonna create a new one, animation called, we'll call it boop anim. And I'm just gonna go into the body blend shapes just to see what we could do here. We'll do, I guess we'll do boop 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 boop. Let's do let's see. We could do happy, yeah, we could do happy. I believe we could do puffy as well. It's all whatever you want yourself. There's different animations you can do. Or if you have an animation already made, you could use that one as well. So we're gonna do happy and I guess surprise maybe. Hit record here, go to the body, and we'll put on the happy face, and he can be a little surprised and smile. There you go. That looks okay, right? Right? Okay. Cool. And then we'll do a second frame here. Press that button, the plus button, that creates a duplicate of the first frames. So that's the animation done. Now, next, we want to go to the FX layer. So we'll go here. Oh, wait. Sorry. First of all, we need to create a area on the snoot. So we will go down the armature here. We will find the nose. If your avatar does not have a nose bone, then you can just use the head. It's the same thing. So we will just hide that. That's PhysBones. So we'll add component, and we will do receiver, and we'll use a sphere. And whoops, actually, better thing to do, we will right click the bone or head, whichever one you are using, create an empty, and we'll call it boop snoot, and we'll do the same thing again, but by creating an empty you can just move it like so. And we'll make the radius 0.05. That's a little too small. We'll just zero it out as well, so that way we know where it is. And radius 0.3. That's about right. That's about it. Okay. So we'll move it just a little. I think that's about it. No, pretty good. Pretty good on the snoot there. And we will add a finger, and we will add a hand, so that way when someone touches it with their finger or their hand, this animation will come. So now we need a parameter, so we'll call it boop snoot, and we will Control A and copy that because we need to add that into the effects layer parameters as well. So now we need to go to the FX layer, which is here, and we'll go to parameters. God, I'm probably saying that wrong. And it has to be a float. and we'll paste that there so we're all in sync. Boop Snoot. We'll go to layers, call it Boop Snoot as well, and then once you named it, make sure this is all the way up to 1. Right click, create empty. We have it empty here, and then we drag in our animation that we made earlier, like so. We'll just move these windows, so there we go. Drag that down here, make a transition from the empty state to the animation, and one back. And the first one going, we'll hit plus down here, and go with Boop Snoot greater than 0.9. And then instead of doing that all again, we can just go back to the first one, copy, right click this and copy transition parameters, and come up here and paste both. And instead of greater, it could be less than on this one. So now what we need to do is just test that it's working, and how we do that is get the FX layer. We need to duplicate our model, hide this one, and you get the FX layer and you put it on the duplicate like so, and then we need to create an object that simulates the hand or finger. So we're just going to right click an empty space here, create an empty, and we'll call it if it would, there we go, tester. And on this tester we will just zero it out so we know exactly where it is. Move it up here, about here is okay, and we'll add a component and sender this time instead of the receiver. And we'll add a hand like so, and we'll add a finger. Where is it? There it is. All right, so now we'll make the radius about 0.6. Yeah, that's great. And that's about that. That's about lined up. Yeah, we can make it a little smaller. Okay, now so we have the duplicate model with the FX. This is just for testing. So you hit play. Ba, 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 ba. So he's standing there. Get the tester, move it towards the nose, and magic. So it's this tester simulates the hand and finger. So move it, boop in him, and the animation happens. Move it away, stops. Move it towards him, stops. Move it away, stops. So that is how you create a boop on the Snoot animation. See, doesn't he look happy? All right. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, and peace.